Hi children. Welcome to my diaries. Now, you are going to watch a beautiful story named A Magical Garden. Welcome to the magical garden. In this beautiful garden, we find cute rabbits, big elephants, colorful birds, colorful butterflies, good deer family, and the family and friends who visit the garden on weekends. There are cute monkeys in the garden too. While walking in the garden, a family saw a rose which is sad. Everyone wanted to make the rose happy. All of them are thinking and thinking. Finally, one of them decided to water the flower.
Whoa!
After some time, the sad rose turned into a beautiful and a happy rose. The entire family started dancing with lot of happiness and lot of excitement.